The food ventures of Soai are powered by our patrons. To become a patron, click the patron link in the description box. Thanks, patrons, for helping to write Soai. Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. So currently we are in St. Mary. I'm just leaving from the farm. And yeah, we are in what we call the hurricane season in Jamaica, and that's kind of why we've slowed down a little bit on the Soai Farms content, because it's raining quite consistently every day, and yeah, it's counterproductive. Now, speaking of seasons, yeah, we did a couple videos on the bird hunting season, which happens between the months of September and August, I believe, and I hope you guys go over there and check it out on the previous videos. Now, the last season I want to talk about today is what we call the crab season. Now, I've done videos, you know, about crabs and stuff like that, and people have always asked me the same question. Yo, when is crab season? When can I come to Jamaica and get crabs? And the funny thing is, it seems as if these days you can get crab like all year round. So recently, Travis and I, we were heading back from the farm, and we saw a lady out there in St. Mary selling some crabs on the roadside. So I was just like, all right, let's stop by, and we had some crab. It's pretty decent crab. On her method, what she did is to actually outsource them, and then she freezes them, and then she does a little crab boil. So right now we are going to head to her. Now, what I like about these people who are doing these street foods is that they are pretty hardworking. Like I said, it's the rainy season. On my way up here, it was raining quite heavily, and I saw her out there fighting with her little coal pot, about to get the crabs ready and on the boil. And you know, on the way I wound down my window, and I was just like, yo, have my crabs ready. So if she actually has the crabs ready in this rainy period, I will be utterly surprised. So let's take a stop there and kick back, have some crabs, and I'll find out from her how is it that she gets her crabs, and is crab really all seasonal in Jamaica?
You say my crab ready now? Yeah. Alright, so we're there with Miss Angie, also known as Enid. Boy. You and the crab them look sexy alike, man. Watch her. Watch her.
With a lot of peppers.
Hey. Cook on crab. So Miss Enid, how long you do this now?
Huh?
How long have you been out here doing this?
Long time.
Very long time now?
Very long time.
Wow. I know. So you make your crab them very spicy.
Yeah, very spicy. A lot of pimento, scallion and thyme, and a lot of salt. So you know, so you have to use a lot of pepper and salt to bring up the flavor.
You know, I love about you because when I was passing by, you hear me tell yourself to make sure my crab ready.
Yes,
shout it through the van.
hot and spicy.
Exactly. But you did just get the coals them ready like
right.
Rain or shine crab.
Rain or shine.
Yeah, no. Speaking of that though, crab, you find that you have crab all season? Like
all season, I have it all season.
Shano. So you kind of have to outsource it.
Right.
Okay. Cool. And what else you have apart from the crab?
I have curry crab.
Curry crab?
Yeah.
Alright, how much one of the crab then now?
I I sell crab like for $5 and $40.
Alright,
Depends on the size.
Depending on the size.
Right.
Alright, so what we're going to do now, I'm going to take, for now, give me one of the $500 crab.
Okay.
I'm going to want some of the curry crab as well.
Cook with a lot of coconut.
So you use coconut juice?
Yeah.
Alright,
So look, this is cooked with a lot of coconut.
Wow.
Coconut, scallion, garlic. You put all garlic in it. It's very nice.
I want some of that too. Wow. Oh my gosh. The last time we came here we had crab, it was pretty good.
Yeah,
so
very nice.
You know, say I had to
People
stop.
come from all boats and buy it.
Speaking of that, so that pot of crab just recently go on, right?
Yeah,
Probably like
just
put it on a while ago.
Okay.
By the end of the day, that done?
Yeah, it's finished. Yeah, true.
No,
It's finished, man.
no jokes.
But people come from all boats
For it.
and buy it, yeah.
All right.
Because it's spicy and nice.
And this area, what you call this area?
Castleton.
Castleton?
Yes.
So Castleton, St. Mary?
Castleton, St. Mary.
St. Mary.
Just above the new bridge.
Just above the new bridge.
Right.
You sell anything else with the crab, like you have no
We
breadfruit
sell like
or
breadfruit, or sometimes we cook some rice, white rice.
what you have available now? You have breadfruit now?
No, the breadfruit is not
Lord
available.
God, because behind you we can see the
You
breadfruit
can see
tree.
breadfruit tree up here. Yellow breadfruit, very nice.
Alright, so what we're going to do, I'm going to take one of the crabs for now, but I'll leave, I'll go buy some for my girlfriend as well.
Okay.
So, yeah. Crab and the spicy one, the curry one as well.
Okay, I'm sorry you couldn't wait until I roast a potato.
No.
Potato
I will wait, you know. You can do it now?
Yeah?
Yeah, man, I could do that, you know.
Alright.
Alright, vibes.
Alright.
I'm here for it.
Alright. No problem.
Now, one thing that I really appreciate with any street food is then when it actually comes with a side. So usually, you don't know, most of the crab vendors will just sell you the crab alone. You have some of the soup going in the bag, everything like that. But if you have some sweet potato roasting up, I mean, no say it's freshly done because we see it just go up on the coal. That's going to be our vibe. But you know me, I will sit around and wait for good food. So waiting the sweet potatoes, and then you don't know, we'll have the crab with it and thing, and yo, it's a vibe. Here is one of those places that is not heavily talked about. You won't see it on the tourism board or whatever. But Jamaica is filled with a bunch of people who are just doing a little thing, street food stops. And this is one of the stops that I will definitely take whenever I'm in St. Mary, heading down to the farm or heading back home.
So this is your mother spot, yeah?
Yeah.
What you like out here the most? General food then?
General food then?
Yeah.
Like crab.
Crab?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know if you catch crab?
Yeah, we can catch them.
You can catch them?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So for you, around this area, Miss Angie, you don't have like a bunch of crab just running up and down?
No, we don't have a bunch of crab.
Mostly Westmoreland side.
Mostly Westmoreland side. Or Adobe or Dover.
So Westmoreland side and Adobe or Dover.
Or Dover.
So how you keep, how you get to keep up with the demand for the crab them, yeah?
Okay. Sometimes we buy them and then we scald them and then we freeze them.
Okay.
So long as them scald and freeze, they are good. But if you buy them and keep them and them dead, they are not good.
Ah, got you. Got you. Wow.
They are not good.
I remember hearing a story one time, a man used to, he have a crab farm.
Yeah.
You ever see nobody do that? Apart from
Yeah.
that guy?
Them keep the crab alright. Then get the place and cement it.
Yeah.
And then them put dirt in it. Put some oil in it so the crab go in that. And may have them babies
Okay.
in that and then them start breed up.
Wow. Shano. So you're a crab man, you have to go all the way saying Westmoreland to get the crab while them
them
come?
carry it here.
Right. So how much crab you think you go through in a week?
In a week?
Yeah.
Sometimes we buy 9 dozen.
9 dozen?
And in 9 dozen done
Wow.
for the day, or sometimes we get 6 dozen done. Most of it sell in a curry.
Oh,
Because
people like the curry
people
more.
love the curry
more.
because they cook with coconut.
Ah, so you grate the coconut yourself
You
or?
grate it, sometimes I blend it.
Okay.
Sometimes I blend the coconut.
I love how you're honest, you know, because at modern times now, we have blender. Nobody have
Sometimes I
that.
blend it, man.
Vibes.
Visit him.
I realize a lot of people will pass and then
Yeah.
blow them hands like everybody around the side and know
Yeah,
you
man,
and look out for you.
Yeah, man.
Okay, so show me the fruits and I realize you also have like, you know, some persons from the US who watch them pine for Jamaican fruits.
Get some.
So here, what is Nesberry?
Nesberry come from St. Elizabeth.
Ah.
This come from Manchester.
Okay.
We get orange and Chilani. Also sweet.
So you get orange from Chilani.
Yes. We get sweet sap from Manchester. Nisbury from St. Elizabeth. But we also have pear and tangerine, but they are from Portland, but those stuff are finished.
So me hear you talk about all these other parishes. One to St. Mary, like one to something
Yes.
from here.
Tangerine, Grand St. Mary, pear, sugarloaf pine, and all of those stuff.
Okay. Alright, cool. Because the last time I was here, I actually bought some mangoes from you. But you don't have no mangoes right now.
St. Thomas, but they are not ready yet.
Okay. So all these people deliver to you right here, sir?
Yeah, sometimes we wake up in the morning early,
Yeah.
leave for here like from 4 o'clock, catch a taxi, go Kingston, wait till the market truck come, then we get stuff and then we unload back home.
Oh my gosh, that's no joke. So in terms of opening hours, are you here every single day? Because I normally see you most
Yeah
days.
man, me always, but you know, so me have to tidy up my house before me leave. Okay, if you drop them on the road,
Yeah, fact.
them have to carry on. So sometimes me a bit late coming, now come out and spread my bed.
So what time we can expect the pot to be on? Like about 12 or?
Sometimes I put on the pot like 9 o'clock.
Okay.
And by 4 o'clock the curry will finish. But we constantly have boiled crab.
So what did give you a slow start today? Because I passed here probably like around 11 or so. For the rain?
Yeah, because of the rain, we not put out early.
Okay, got you. Wow. So apart from this though, what else you know you can cook? Like if you're supposed to come in your house right on up on a Sunday.
We can cook everything. We can cook coconut toast with salt mackerel.
Awesome.
Also, sometimes you have visitor, you blend some peanut drink
Yeah.
with potatoes. You blend peanut drinks with oats, 2 banana, mango, then you throw a dragon in there. Spice it up with a nutmeg and thing, and it's good to go. Or you can pick a breadfruit, and when you pick the breadfruit, you parboil it, blend it, throw a dragon in there, and
Vibes.
nutmeg and thing.
The last time I was talking to your daughter when she was here, she's a subscriber to the channel. I'm going to shout her out for actually watching the videos. Oh my god. So tell me about the river. I can look over there and I see the river looking very chocolatey. Like what caused that? Because of the rain?
Because of the rain. And because of the rain why the place look like that.
Okay, cool. So that type of river when you normally like bathe when you're younger and stuff like that?
Normally bathe down there, but since the river coming down and it wash away one man, the Prime Minister, offer them a bridge.
The new bridge, I will see.
The new bridge over there.
Okay, cool.
Then pick up his bridge and him walk over and him promise them a bridge and him did give them
A bridge.
right.
Got you.
So it's them privacy covered now. Cause then you used to take off them clothes.
I have to go over.
Yeah.
Wow.
And have to cross the water so
That's sad, but I like that.
yeah.
Wow.
So then get a bridge so they're away from
Cool. So St. Mary born and grown?
yeah.
Wow, I love that. What you love the most about St. Mary though? Like if a traveler comes to, because I don't find a lot of people come to St. Mary when they come from the US. It's mostly like, you know, Ochi, Montego Bay, and the Grill. Why should people come to St. Mary? Apart from your crab then?
No man, that's not what they love to watch it hillside.
Yeah.
Or it grow up fresh and nice. Sometimes they come and then look on the river. Right? And then we walk around. Yeah man, then we walk around.
Shout out a river here that we can go to, apart from Ugly River.
Wagwater.
Wagwater River is a good one.
Wagwater is a good river.
Awesome, cool.
Or then most of them go Kensington Garden.
So the crab, who taught you to make crabs though? Something you learn from your own or?
Yeah man, that's something I learn from my own. Me just see them and say, you know, me go start this.
Yeah.
And me start. And me first me just put on one little pot. Then me find out the people are come more and more, so you know? So me just
bigger and better.
Yeah. Because people left from Waterayas.
And come here?
Yeah, some come from Waterhouse and Kitchen. One woman always come and say, call me and say, put on the pot, lock it up in the shop. And when me reach I will blow you and you come with the one pot of crab.
So she buy a whole pot of crab?
Yeah, one pot of curry crab she buy. I forgot her name. Yeah, she called me and said, look about this to me, come here, come. Give me number. Yeah.
Show say business is going on good, and a lot of people who watch this video and has stopped by Miss Enid drop a comment and say, yo, crab shell.
Yeah man, everybody love it.
As in for them get overcooked. Okay.
Want to soak more.
To chew my fast.
Hmm?
Why you cook for Sunday dinner? I want to know why you cook for last Sunday dinner.
My last Sunday dinner? Steamed fish
Rotted.
and rice.
Steamed fish and rice.
Yeah, with a lot of red peas.
Oh, nice.
Steamed fish and rice. Very nice.
For some reason, I feel like a Rasta in your family, you know. The man a Rasta? You put coconut milk in it too? Coconut juice? Cha-cha.
When you steam the fish and take it down and you strain the coconut milk with the okra on the top of it and it just
You sound like a data catchy Rasta, you know. Oh my gosh, wow. But I see what you're talking about, the mountain range, like the mountains.
Yeah man, them always come and look on the mountain because especially when the time come out like this.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, shape like it's shape in a heart, huh?
Yeah. It's nice. You know, funny enough, I never thought much about it, but actually sitting here, it's a nice vibe just looking off into the mountains. Like, it's very, very beautiful. I mean, the only drawback, of course, it's a street food spot, so like you can hear in the backdrop, there's a bunch of cars passing by, but nonetheless, still amazing. Right, good evening.
This is the sweet potato.
I think so him come to eat up my share, you know.
Come to eat up the man potato?
Yeah, potato, but you crab bean pepper.
Yeah.
Pepper and pepper. You can't like pepper, you know?
You like pepper?
No, sir, pepper.
Oh god, they can't ramp with crab then, man.
Pepper burn me twice.
That got make you nice.
Burn me twice. That not nice at all.
Alright, so this one is mine, eh?
Yeah.
Yes, alright, we're ready.
Alright.
Sweet potato.
So you support us already and you eat crab out, you know?
No, I first I got taste it.
First time?
Yeah.
And you know her so long?
Yeah, because I don't really eat crab.
Oh, you're not really a
From
crab?
people.
Okay.
No, I made it for myself through me now use no pepper, I use pimento.
Oh, so you're afraid of pepper?
Natural season way different. I mean, it was powder season or pepper rasta. No rasta. No
Oh, I'm
rasta.
sure you say.
So now you're tasting over here. Alright.
This is sweet potato and crab.
Nice.
Tamalley.
Oh, so crab tamale. Hold on, my girlfriend car. Hold on. Jelly, you want crab tamale and sweet potato?
Very nice.
All right. So I go before I leave. I go want another serving of that here.
Yes, baby.
All right. So
This is very nice.
crab tamale.
And
Yeah.
potato.
Jesus upon this one.
With a lot of coconut milk.
Yeah, that's
Hot
why
and
you
spicy.
the crab tamale. Have to have coconut milk.
Great at coconut. Real great at coconut.
Fact.
Not the packed short thing.
Not the pack one, yeah.
No.
Real
Natural,
thing.
greater. Well tried.
Nice.
Very nice.
All right, man. I got sample that right now.
But of course.
Have a nice sweet, yeah?
I mean by just the honey one. Which part of that? Oh.
You just want taste, you know?
Okay. So normally crab is something that you basically you eat with your hand. The sweet potato is super hot. So I'm gonna try to dip it into the juice a little bit. It's so good. I've never had crab with sweet potato before, not to my memory, but it's nice to have it. It's really, really nice to have it. You can taste the coconut milk. It's spicy, but it's not that type of bitter spiciness that is very overbearing. It's just spicy enough you can feel it on the throat. And the crab is soft, tender. I feel that one of them nicer than the last one, you know? Like you know me I come. Oh my god. Look at that, guys. The spice on it nice. Wow. Pimento to me is Jamaica's national spice, man. Pimento to me is Jamaica's national spice.
Yeah.
Like, trust me, really nice, really good. Now, I'm not a professional crab eater like some people what I do. And I might just put the shell and everything, bite, suck out the meat, and then toss the shell. The reason why I mention that is in one of my previous videos, people see you eat the crab and they wonder if you actually eat the shell as well. You know the shell?
No.
Oh. People wonder the weirdest stuff, but no, never the shell. This is really good.
Yeah. Some people don't know if to eat it, right? So.
It's kind of tricky still, you know. Crab not really easy to eat.
But when you break you just break it like this. Take off the part, yeah? So you go and break off here. And for you break off here, then you take off this. And then you take off all this garbage. All of these. And you eat here. These are the feet and this. And then you break this now. And this is the food in it.
That's my favorite part right there, so. Yeah.
The coconut milk boil out and everything in it.
Right.
You want crab, yeah, come? You better hurry up. You want to come then. You always want to be a woman crab. And you want egg.
The curry crab, that shell. My god. You know what that is, husband?
It's will say it nice.
Nice, man. You see, you what all this, sir? What are they?
Yeah.
Oh god. I'm gonna just see juice. What's the juice, sir? The juice. I'm just rub it up, sir. Wet it up.
Nice. Crab salad.
Come on, you got the potato them ready, man. Also the potato them ready with it, man. Nice together.
My brother use the better pot curry are the best.
Most Americans always say better pack of the
Yeah,
thing.
better pot curry.
Wow.
The Indian curry always have, and they use it a little bit.
The grainy.
Yeah. No. It's a bit grainy.
they find doing crab season, and what people traditionally know as crab season,
Yeah.
they get more customer that time.
But you come in like more customers come now.
Okay.
Like how the crab are going, but during crab season, you get a lot of customers.
That's a customer.
Yeah. Sometimes people have to come and wait on the second pot.
The second pot?
Put on one pot, it down, them have to wait then. Some people come, I can't bother when the first pot one got done. I'm ready to go to the first one. And the second one, no nice, so.
So, in terms of the business longevity, like how much more years do you think you can do this? Like come out and have a crab around?
How much more?
Years.
As
As long as they're strength, you go keep on and do it, right?
you come in, you're going to make a living.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what I want to know, before you were selling crabs, what you used to do before?
Beer
Fruits alone.
The picture was at the airport.
Oh, you were at the airport, the picture?
Yeah, the picture was at the airport, but they never asked me no questions. Me just
Take a- Realize every crab vendor always put the claw over the side of the pot so everybody can know the crab is there.
yeah,
That is just the international sign here.
Yeah,
National
just-
sign that crab is in the pot.
right. They just put out a hand. Everybody pass, can see it's an hand out.
That thing say carry my
sometimes-
try top stack thing.
Sometimes you don't have the hand. Else if I spice up your crab and
You can smell
you
it.
can smell
You can
it. 'cause
smell it.
Enough time you don't put out the hand and people say crab ready, you smell it.
I quite like this. So for the crab tamale with sweet potatoes, how much you looking to spend?
Like the crab,
Like when so, like meet this now at the order, how much will this cost?
$600 as your regular.
Wow, that's good. It's a good price.
So one man
So you-
stopped the other day,
Mm-hmm.
last week Saturday. They must be coming from abroad and the man said, when someone want crab? And the man says, plus the corner, see the pot. You know how much crab the man buy? They tell me there are some big monster.
Mm-hmm.
The man buys 6 of the monster and 3 of the plate. And by the time he might come back again, he say, I'm carrying for your wife. He just taste it and say, wow. 3 box of curry, 3 monster. You have to look out the things and make it taste good. Just like how you eat it.
Make you with love.
Make people love it.
True, true. Crime scene. Miss Enid, you're going with yourself. Oh yeah, go bag it too.
Yeah.
Yeah man, you're fully boxed. You can tell the crab was spicy. Look at my face, sweating.
You know, as I leave here, you know, I think to myself that, yo, today was a really well spent day. think that they should call these crabs mountain crabs, because these crabs had paramount flavor. So you guys notice that the crabs are coming from all over the island to get to the mountain areas here in St. Mary to be cooked up for anybody passing by to be had. Super amazing. But yeah, we're gonna end the video here. Shout out to everybody who drops a like on the video, shows a lot of support, and you know, give some Jamaican vendors some features. You don't have to keep going to the typical places all the time. Just wherever you're traveling to, you could be going to look for your grandmother, your brother, your sister, or just going to that local Airbnb. Make sure you stop and check out any of these street food places that I've been to, or anyone that you see for yourself, and drop it in the comments and also share with me so I can find them as well. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Remember these 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember to keep the link. Wow, these country roads, they are so small and there's a bunch of trucks that pass by. Anyway, stay safe. Bye.